What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard. And in today's video, we're going to talk about a wallet. Now, I know wallets have been around for years and it's an essential part of everybody's EDC. If you're like me, it is the most important part. But every so often comes a wallet that just puts a modern twist into the wallet features itself. So without further ado, we're going to take a look at this nice wallet, and this one comes from Otis. This is the Oldis Road Otis One wallet, and this is the packaging right here. Very nice and simple. A leather helmet, slide your essentials cards here and cash there. It is for people who want their shit to last. Basically, was crafted on September 18, 2025, and it was made by Oldis Road, and this was the Otis One. So it's designed for those who value intentional living. The Otis One wallet combines timeless craftsmanship, exactly what I said, with a modern functionality, which is fantastic. Made from premium full grain leather, it evolves with every journey. So let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. And this one is in the light golden honey. This is probably the worst the wallet's gonna look and feel. The more you use it, the more use it gets, the better it's gonna start getting shape and the better it's gonna start looking. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this functionality, what I think the modern twist is, which I absolutely love. It takes the old school wallet and kind of gives it a modern twist. So basically you have this flap here, you got a slot here for cards. If it folds open, you got another slab here for cards, and then you got a slot here for cash. But let's go and take a look at how it works. You can put more cards than what I'm going to put in here, but the leather hasn't taken its shape and it's super stiff. As you use it more, it's going to get more looser, I guess I can say, and it's going to be easier to use. Bam. So I have 3 cards there, 3 cards in here, and then I only have a $20 bill. So the intent of this, so you put your money in here like this. So your bills are, and it is super tight right now. So your bills are going to be upright like that, and basically all you're going to do is fold it and then fold it, boom, put it in place. And whenever you want to go ahead, you can go ahead like this, grab a card if you want, flip it around, have your ID right here or another card inside there, put it away. Or if you need cash, you're going to easily get some cash. If you want to put the cash away, you can easily put the cash away like that, fold it, boom, and put it nice in place. Now you see this flap, it kind of pops up. That's because it's brand new leather. Like I said, the more you use it, the more you put some wear and tear into this, the better it's going to look, and the more it's going to it's going to shape into its shape. And this strap here eventually is going to just automatically, naturally just fold shut. Absolutely amazing kind of little wallet. It's very pocketable for your front pocket, but it looks good. It's going to last forever. It's 100% leather, feels good, and you do have a little bit of Otis One branding right there embossed into the leather. Absolutely fantastic leather wallet, I think, from Oldis Road. If you have any questions regarding this, let me know down in the comment section below. I can't wait to put this in use, and I'll come and give you an update, because this is the type of wallet that you want to give a update to see how it's shaping, how it's looking, because I did make the promise that it's going to look better as time goes on instead of looking worse. But with that being said, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe the video. And like always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.